market, okay, that the signal generator, I've noticed it that, okay, this trend is going to change. And that is why the signal is generated for you, that, okay, the signal is going to change. All right. But now I'll tell you how to now take the signal. It's not going to be like you're given a signal and you just, you assume that is when it's going to go and you take it, then it goes against you. You know, when a signal has gone against you, you know what you do? You are tempted to get out of that market. But what you don't know is what kind of signal is that. Okay? Now I'm going to tell you how to take a signal. And this is where Forex education comes in. You understand what I'm saying? Forex education comes in. You know, without education, there's nothing you can achieve in that Forex market. You know, the basics of the Forex confidence is the education you've got in yourself. Okay? Because when you get a kind of education, it's a foundation. It's a foundation, okay? It's going to be a base that leads to your own success in the Forex market, okay? Because this education is going to be a kind of opening your eyes. You know what I'm saying? Going to open your eyes, okay? Whenever a signal is given to you, you will be able to know, is it your own right entry? If that's your right entry, based on your own trading rules or trading plans, you will know if you're going to enter it or not. If it matches your trading plan, then you jump in. You know, but if it doesn't match your trading plan, then you gotta wait. You gotta wait for it. You gotta wait. You gotta wait for it to match your trading plans until you're gonna enter that. You understand? Every Forex trader have different trading plans, okay? This is what I said. You guys should go to school. Signal is signal, okay? Signal is signal. But if it's going to work for you, then depends on what you know. That is education. That is where education comes in, okay? I don't want to be a trader that will advise a beginner trader that, hey, you're going to make money overnight. No, there's nothing like make money overnight. There's nothing like holy grail Forex strategy, okay? So, you know, this is the little tip I just want to give to you guys. You understand? When I get any other tip, I'm going to come here and share it with you. So take care and thank you, and God bless you all. Bye.